Minecraft here, and today we're gonna be opening new stuff from the store that I got today. So we're gonna save the best for last, but I'm gonna get the smallest thing right now. Okay, and slime. But first, before I open it up, I'm gonna give you guys one challenge here. So, no, actually 2 challenges. So the first challenge is gonna be, I'm gonna give you guys 5 seconds to hit that like button and hit the subscribe button and turn on that notification bell. And the second challenge is, let's try to get this video to 50 likes and 10 subscribers today, okay? And let's open it up. So we got our watermelon slime, and it said Nickelodeon slime, super gooey and fun scented. Oh my god, guys, it smells so good. I wish you guys could smell it, but here's what it looks like inside. Look. And maybe like in a couple weeks, no, don't worry. In a couple weeks, I'm not gonna do my next video. But in a couple weeks, I'm gonna do ASMR with my food, so that's gonna be exciting. And right now, we're cooking the slime. Maybe let's play with the slime. We're gonna roll it in a bowl first. Stretch it, maybe slow. Slow. There we go. Stop! Okay, and the second thing is, sorry, fighting with the back here, but I'm not gonna actually put it on because it really hurts. So here's what it looks like.
What do you want that for?
The reason why I want this is because, like, in a couple more days it's gonna be my birthday, and I'm gonna go to my grandma's house, aka Abuelita, for those Mexican people. Or people who speak Spanish. And we're gonna go in the pool, and I really want to snorkel, but there's nothing but to see there, just feet. And best for last, guys. I saved the best for last. And everybody, drum roll please. The Blinger! So, we're gonna open it up. Sorry guys, kind of. Whoa! Oh, do you guys want me to read it? Okay. Low click bling. Air fashion anything. Diamond collection. Blinger. Want to hold it?
Brother wants to see too.
And that's my brother. That's the person who keeps running and stuff. Sorry.
Say hi, Lulu.
Say hi.
Say hi.
Sorry about the distraction. Okay, and we're gonna bling some stuff. Like we could bling my brother's shirt. Sorry, Mom. And Mom is the one who's recording. Show yourself, Mama. Okay, so we're gonna open. Oh my God, I will open this. Okay, I'm being a little dramatic here, but okay, just took a little bit of muscle. Oh yeah, this is gonna be easy because not me, I am strong. Mia. Shout out to Mia. She's my cousin, and she has a blinger, and she got me interested into blinging. So I think, okay. Does it go? Oh, it goes like this.
No, thank you, Bubba.
Do we slide it? Too bad I ripped up the instructions. Maybe this one. Okay. How do these people use it? Well, we're gonna. Oh, does it go? And then it's like a DVD player, guys. Didn't even know that. Okay, Mama.
You need help?
Oh, I thought I was gonna break it. Okay, gonna close it. Okay, we're gonna bling my shirt. Okay. Sorry, guys.
Put that
for
on
the...
your shirt.
Oh, the person who's on my shirt is Baby Yoda. So cute. Did it work? Okay, maybe. Should I bling my hair? Ready? How come it doesn't work? I don't have anything to bling. Mama, do you have something to bling?
On your shirt.
Okay, but it doesn't work.
Did you read the directions?
No, it doesn't have directions.
Put your shirt down. Let me see.
Oh.
Hey, nice job figuring it out.
Thank you.
Behind the shirt. Let me see. Did it come out?
Oh. What? Does the blink? Oh. I get it now, Mama. Look. We were doing this all wrong. Look. Ready? Ooh, I blinked myself.
Oh, well.
Mia blinked my face.
Does that hurt?
No. Did it come? Aw, my lips are too wet.
She blinged her lips still.
No, my eyebrows too. Maybe my nose. Owie. Mia, had that not hurt? She would blink herself.
Everywhere.
Remember how you saw her, Mama? She would go head to toe. Okay, we're gonna do my toesies. Ooh, Mama, I got a earring on my toe.
Mom.
Lulu, you want to blink?
No. No, thank you. Say no, thank you.
Oh, Mama's gonna get blinked. Okay.
I have a marker on my hands because Louis sprayed at me.
Oh, Louis.
Did it work? Yay!
And my cousin even blinked her ears.
You can have earrings. Let me see. Do they come out?
No, but the thing's right here. I could just rip it out and put it right here.
Whoa.
This is like so fun. You could even blink your jewelry. Ooh. We could even bling the Blinger sign thingy. What? I'm running out of blings, y'all.
Uh-oh. Does it have more?
Yeah. And you could, and also what I love about the blink thing is that
Blinger.
the Blinger thingy is because you could buy these little circle thingies, whatever, by itself, at the store, and you don't even have to buy another machine. Lucy, you want to get blinked? Okay, and that's enough blinking for today. Bye.